Effective annual yield, or the effective rate, is the simple interest rate that produces the same amount of money in an account at the end of 1 year as when the account is subject to compound interest at a stated rate. Another way to say that is effective annual interest rate is the real annual return on a savings account or investment when effects of compounding over time are taken into account. So it's equating a compound interest rate to the simple interest rate that would give you the same yield in 1 year. Now, for a simple interest rate that would give you the same yield, the simple interest rate is going to be slightly higher. So your answer to this problem is going to be a rate that's close to the given rate, but slightly higher. Let's take a look at an example. A passbook savings account has a rate of 5.6%. Find the effective annual yield if the interest is compounded quarterly. Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So all we need in this problem is R and N. R is 5.6%. Change that to a decimal and we get 0.056. And N, well, it says interest is compounded quarterly, so N will be 4. Plugging those into the formula, y equals 1 plus R on the top, so 0.056 over N, which is 4. Close the parenthesis, insert an exponent in your calculator next, and raise it to the 4th power. Get out of the exponent and put a -1. Go ahead and plug that into your calculator. The answer we get is an interest rate in decimal form. So we have to change it to a percent. So we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right, and we get 5.7187 and so on percent. But we want to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So I'm going to round to the first decimal place after the decimal, first digit after the decimal. So I'm cutting my number off right here, but I need to look at that second digit after the decimal to decide what to do with my tenths digit, and a 1 tells me to keep the 7 the same. So we get about 5.7%. And again, what this means is this is a simple interest rate that would give you the same yield in 1 year that a compound interest rate of 5.6 compounded quarterly would give you. So we are equating that compound interest rate to what simple interest rate would give you the same yield in the end of a year. Sometimes banks use these numbers in advertising because this number looks higher than that one, when in reality it's the same amount that you would achieve in a year.